My name is Javier Quesada Cavazos. I was born and raised in Mexico. Came to the States when I was about 18, 19 years old. Been in the service, the Marine Corps service, for 8 years, and then professionally started cooking around 16, 17 years old. And right now, today, we're actually cooking for the Houston Rockets, and we are in the BFW Post 92, 96 in Houston, Texas, and we're doing a little bit of steaks, asparagus, baked potato for that service. Today, Houston Rockets, and they were generous enough to donate a HVAC system for the BFW, and we're actually cooking for them today. The actual event is to give thanks to Houston Rockets for the service and for what they're doing for us as a veterans. We appreciate their donation, and we're here to say thanks to them. The BFW stands for Veterans of Foreign Wars, and only veterans that actually been in different areas and wars in different countries. That's who belongs to this post. So I started in 2010 while I was going to school, in culinary school in St. Jack. I started over there with a bunch of friends. I stayed with the business for the past 16 years. 2018 became an LLC. 95% of my business is towards the veterans. Army National Guard, Texas State Guard, Marines, Navy, U.S. Air Force, Coast Guard. I take care of all of them. As far as, whenever they have training, we go and feed them. So my food truck is more than just staying in one place. I actually travel all over the States. My specialty is making people feel good. The customer asks me, and depending on their budget, I create a menu, and then we go from there. When I started seeing rent-to-own trailers in Facebook, they responded real fast. Down payment was good, the special was good. They treated me right from the beginning. I didn't have any issues at all, and the trailer's been working perfect. What got me into actually getting a food trailer was the possibility of growing. So I got one in Austin right now. I have one in Houston. I travel a lot, so I definitely recommend rent-to-own trailers. And the main thing is customer service. That's it, period. Trailers are good, well built, and perfect to start off any business. My name is Javier Quesada Cavazos. I'm with Chef Q Catering, LLC. We specialize in catering for different events. Mostly our biggest customers are veterans. I'm a Marine. You can do corporate events, private events, different organizations, and you can always follow me in Facebook and Chef Q Catering. You can Instagram. My phone number is 832-499-5267. My email is javier@chefqcatering.com. If you like to contact me, text me so I can answer, and then I can help you out with your event or your next party.
Start today. Visit renttoowntrailers.com. Hablamos español.